to Journey of Science and Maths. In this lecture, we are going to discuss some important model problems related to the equivalent weight calculation concept. Okay, this type of model problems were asked many times in the different entrance examination, that may be IIT, NEET or other competitive exams. Okay, let us see that. First problem, 1 gram of metal oxide gave 0.2 gram of metal on heating. What is the equivalent weight of the metal? Okay, so what is the problem given is that 1 gram of a metal oxide is giving 0.2 gram of metal when that oxide is heated. So we have to calculate the equivalent weight. We have two methods here. The first method is that, so here to solve this one, number of equivalents of metal is equal to number of equivalents of oxygen. Okay, this is the formula we can use here to solve this problem. Okay, number of equivalents of metal equal to number of equivalents of oxygen, because when a metal oxide is heated, we are getting the metal. Okay, so in this case, this is the relation we have to use, or we can write GEN, number of gram equivalents of metal equal to GEN of oxygen. Okay, number of equivalents or gram equivalent number, whatever it may be, the same relation. Okay, so both are same. In some books it is given that number of equivalents, in some other books it is given that GEN. Okay, that is gram equivalent number. Okay, so here this is the formula. Now what is the formula for GEN? GEN is equal to weight of substance, in grams by equivalent weight of that substance. Okay, equivalent weight is denoted by E. Already we discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, so here now if you substitute here, GEN equal to weight by equivalent weight of that substance. Okay, so here number of equivalents of metal, that is nothing but the weight of the metal. How much? 0.2 gram by equivalent weight of metal we have to calculate. So that is the problem. Now number of equivalents of oxygen equal to weight of the oxygen by equivalent weight of oxygen. Equivalent weight of oxygen is 8. That also already I explained in the previous lectures. Okay, so now what about the weight of the oxygen here? So no, weight of the metal by equivalent weight of the metal equal to weight of oxygen by equivalent weight of oxygen from this relation, right? Okay, so here they have given weight of the metal oxide as 1 gram minus weight of the metal is given as 0.2. Okay, the metal oxide contains metal and oxygen, right? So here they have given the weight of metal, and also they have given the weight of the metal. This is metal oxide, sorry, weight of metal oxide, and this is the weight of metal. Okay, that is nothing but weight of the oxygen. Yes or no? According to the law of conservation of mass, the weight of the reactants is equal to the weight of the products. Okay, so here when metal and oxygen combines, we get metal oxide. Okay, clear? So 1.0 minus 0.2, that is nothing but the weight of the oxygen. Okay, so if you simplify this one, we get 0.2 by equivalent weight of metal equal to, so 1.0 minus 0.2, that is 0.8 by 8. So here we get 0.1, and therefore equivalent weight of metal equal to 0.2 by 0.1, that is nothing but 2. Okay, so what is the answer here? Option A. Clear? So once again, what we have to do in this type of model problems, number of equivalents of metal equal to number of equivalents of oxygen, because metal oxide is giving metal. In this type of problems, use this one. Okay, So or simply number of gram equivalents, or gram equivalent number of metal equal to gram equivalent number of oxygen. This is the formula for GEN, weight of the substance by equivalent weight of that substance. Okay, so we have substituted here weight of metal by equivalent weight of metal, that is equal to weight of oxygen by equivalent weight of oxygen. But in the problem, weight of oxygen is not directly given, so that's why here weight of metal oxide minus weight of the metal will give the weight of the oxygen. Okay, let us see another method here. In this method also we get the same answer, but here the direct we have a formula, equivalent weight of metal equal to weight of metal by weight of metal oxide, minus weight of metal into equivalent weight of oxygen. This is the formula which is used to calculate equivalent weight of metal. Okay, weight of the metal by weight of metal oxide minus weight of metal into equivalent weight of oxygen. Okay, so now if you substitute the provided values, weight of metal is how much? 0.2 gram. Okay, weight of the metal oxide 1. Okay, and weight of the metal is 0.2 into equivalent weight of oxygen is how much? 8. Right? So here if you simplify this, 0.2 by 0.8 into 8, so 0.1. So therefore equivalent weight of metal equal to 2. Okay, so whatever the method you follow, we get the same answer. Clear? Your wish, depending upon your comforts. Okay, you can follow this method or this method, we get the same answer. Okay, clear? Let us see one more important model problem. Let us see second model problem. 3 gram of a metal chloride gave 2 gram of metal on heating. What is the equivalent weight of the metal? In the previous problem, metal oxide gave metal, and here metal chloride is giving metal. Okay, very similar. Let us see that. So here also we have two methods. Okay, method 1 and method 2. Okay, so here first one, GEN of metal equal to GEN of chlorine. Okay, GEN of metal equal to the or number of equivalents of metal equal to number of equivalents of chlorine. Just now we discussed in the first model problem, right? So here this is nothing but weight of metal by equivalent weight of metal equal to weight of chlorine by equivalent weight of chlorine, right? So if you substitute here weight of metal how much? 2 by equivalent weight of metal, that is equal to weight of chlorine. Same here, weight of the chlorine is not directly given, so here 3 minus 2 by equivalent weight of chlorine is how much? 35.5. Okay, see already I explained very clearly in the previous lectures how we are getting these equivalent weights. Okay, so from this one, 2 by equivalent weight of metal equal to 1 by 35.5, that implies equivalent weight of metal equal to 2 into 35.5, that is equal to 71. Okay, so this is the equivalent weight of metal, so option B is the answer. This is the first method, and similar to this one in the previous problem already we discussed, equivalent weight of metal equal to weight of metal by weight of metal chloride, minus weight of metal into equivalent weight of chlorine. Okay, so metal oxide is given, here we have equivalent weight of oxygen, here it is metal chloride, so that's why here it is equivalent weight of chlorine. Understood? Very simple, both are very similar. If metal oxide is given, here we get number of equivalents of metal equal to number of equivalents of oxygen. Metal chloride is given, number of equivalents of metal equal to number of equivalents of chlorine, right? Same manner here, if metal oxide is given, here we get the equivalent weight of oxygen. If metal chloride is given, here we get the equivalent weight of chlorine. Very simple. Okay. So now substitute here, weight of metal is how much? 2 by 3 minus 2 into 35.5. Okay, so that is equal to, equivalent weight of metal is equal to 71. Okay, so whatever the method we follow, we get same result. Clear? So this type of problems very important, whether that is metal oxide or metal chloride. In the same manner, if metal bromide is given, metal hydride is given, everywhere. So this is the procedure. Okay, clear? Now let us see one more very important model problem. Now let us see very important model problem, that is 1 gram of a metal nitrate gave 0.86 gram of metal sulfate. What is the equivalent weight of metal? Okay, very important this one. See how to solve this one. Here, number of equivalents of metal nitrate. Okay, number of equivalents of metal nitrate equal to number of equivalents of metal sulfate. Okay, number of equivalents of metal sulfate. Because if you observe this problem, so a metal nitrate is giving metal sulfate. Okay, so that's why here number of equivalents of metal nitrate is equal to number of equivalents of metal sulfate, or we can say GEN. Okay, of metal nitrate. Metal nitrate is equal to GEN of, already here we have, so simply I will write here GEN of metal sulfate. Okay, metal sulfate. Now see here, number of equivalents of metal nitrate is nothing but weight of metal nitrate. Okay, weight of metal nitrate by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of nitrate ion. Okay, so metal nitrate contains metal and nitrate ion, so that's why weight of metal nitrate by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of nitrate. So this is the equivalent weight of metal nitrate. Very important. So in the same manner here, weight of metal sulfate by weight of metal sulfate by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of sulfate ion. Okay, clear? So for metal nitrate, equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of nitrate ion. Here for metal sulfate, equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of sulfate ion. Okay, so then how can we get the equivalent weight of this nitrate and sulfate, right? So that is, already we discussed this formula. So equivalent weight of a ion equal to formula weight of ion by charge on the ion. So no, this formula already we discussed, charge on the ion. So this is the formula we use to calculate equivalent weight of an ion. Okay, formula weight of that ion by charge present on the ion. Clear? So from this one, here equivalent weight of nitrate equal to formula weight of the ion. How much? NO3 minus nitrogen atomic weight is how much? 14 plus 3 oxygens, 3 into 16, 48. Total is 62 by 1. That is equal to 62 because charge on the ion is 1. Clear? So equivalent weight of nitrate is how much? 62. In the same manner here, equivalent weight of sulfate ion equal to formula weight of the sulfate ion. What? Sulfur atomic weight 32 plus we have 4 oxygens, so 4 into 16. Okay, so total how much? 64 plus 32, 96 by charge on the ion is how much? 2 units. Only we have to take the magnitude, don't take the charge. So here how much it is? 48. So equivalent weight of sulfate is equal to how much? 48. Okay, now therefore I will substitute here from this formula. Weight of the metal nitrate is given how much? 1 by equivalent weight of metal we have to calculate, plus equivalent weight of nitrate how much? 62. That is equal to weight of the metal sulfate how much? 0.86 by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of sulfate is, we are getting here 48. Yes or no? So after simplifying this one, we get equivalent weight of metal is equal to 38. So option C is the answer. Okay, clear? So here, see, this simplification you can do yourself because I don't want to waste your time. So how to solve this type of problems? First step, number of equivalents of metal nitrate equal to number of equivalents of metal sulfate. Okay, so we know the formula for this one, weight of the metal nitrate by, see here, equivalent weight of metal nitrate is the sum of equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of the nitrate. Okay, so this is the another formula which we discussed in the previous lectures, equivalent weight of ion, how to calculate. Okay, so in the same manner, suppose they will give metal nitrate gave metal oxide. In that case, so here weight of metal oxide by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxygen. Like that we have to solve. Okay, so depending upon the given problem, this is the procedure. Okay, so you will get the answers easily. Clear? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support us.